you want? Do you want to be a couch potato? For the child's security, you will believe on the review?
Like which website is good or not? By Google, ChatGPT. You can search every time. Why you go on fake website?
We are going to debate on the topic of online shopping and offline shopping. Okay, and here you guys are supporting that offline shopping is good. I think you guys are shopaholic and you want to roam, you want to spend time with your family members, with your friends, and they guys are very busy in their life, so they prefer the online shopping, and according to them online shopping is good, right? Am I right, guys? So should we start the debate without any further delay? Let's start this debate. So which team wants to start? This team. And who wants to share the first opinion? You want to share? Okay, start your opinion and share your opinion.
Good evening, everyone. Firstly, thanks to sir for giving me this opportunity to speak here. So today we are sitting here for debate on the topic of offline shopping versus online shopping. Which shopping is better? So according to me, offline shopping is better because in offline shopping you can you can whatever you want you can purchase instantly. Like if you have need a dress for going in wedding or party instantly, so in online you cannot get it will take time, but in offline you can go in market and you can take easily whatever you want. And one more thing, in offline, like if you have any issue, then you can ask question to shopkeeper and you can solve your problem face to face. That's why I'm supporting offline shopping is good.
Very nice.
You said that in offline we buy product immediately, but in offline there are limited stocks.
In offline,
Yes,
okay.
in offline there are limited stocks. We choose all of them. If you don't like all of them, then in offline there are limited stock. We choose all of them. If you don't like, then we go to other shops for buying what we want. Then it's waste our time, and it takes so much time, and it also waste our money to travel other place. That's why. How can you say that offline?
Sir, in
shopping is better?
offline you can get, but in online there were like lots of issues, like size issues, color issues. You cannot get easily, but in offline you can go another shop and then you can get.
But in offline, a shop they are not available all size.
Sir, in every shop they provide all size. Where are you?
We shop provide all the because
Go in mall also and go in like outside. Then you can check. Every shopkeeper provide.
but in online also you can buy products and
You can buy products, but these products may be like cheap.
how can how can you say that this
I
product?
can say, sir, you are ordering something, but they are providing anything else.
So each platform provide open box delivery. You can check it and you can each platform provide open box delivery. When product come, you check it and give OTP. Then
Yes.
your product delivered. Otherwise, it will not
Sir,
delivered.
you can clap that. He's trying to say that open box delivery. When the delivery boy deliver your product, that time they open the box and they check it. You can check it
And you see your OTP. Then the product delivered.
Listen. When delivery boy provide you box, then you can check. But in offline, you can immediately check your product. Then you can purchase.
But in offline, they are not available so much variety. What you want?
Sir, in offline they are providing lots of
In-
varieties, but in online they are not providing. Like you are looking something else, but they are just providing anything else.
So here option है, when your product delivered, you check it.
Sir, you
How you say that?
listen. You want like something. You want this pen, but they are providing pencil. So what?
How can you say that they provide pencil? You can check it.
It's
na?
happened.
When delivered, you check it. If your product is genuine, then you
it's
accept
time
or not
wasting. No,
accept.
it's time wasting. No, I
But
need
in-
instantly,
but-
and they are giving like after few days. So what is the need of that
But
product?
in offline, it is not possible. What you want to provide a shop, you also waste a time. मतलब you want
But in one day you can carry, no. But in online you cannot carry.
in
one day.
online every platform provide मतलब quick delivery. Like that, Myntra launch M now, which provide within 30 minutes cloth, and also Amazon launch now, and Myntra and also Flipkart launch minutes, which provide within minutes. You don't go anywhere.
So what do you want? Do you want to be a couch potato?
What do you mean?
Do you want to be a couch?
एक जगह पे पड़े रहने वाला.
But if you don't have time, you are busy doing something, then
You don't have time for yourself and your family members.
what? मतलब,
You don't want to go outside.
I want to go outside with my family, but I don't want to stand billing line to.
Yes.
I don't want to stand in billing line to build the
So what
product
about
which I buy.
like in
Yeah, I don't want to stand in traffic with my family.
so what is the need of like standing in traffic? You can
Yeah.
use metro also.
But if you are not better, if you go to Aminabad, then how can you go to Aminabad?
Yes, sir. How can you go Ahmedabad?
Which metro?
Yes, if you have to go to Baghdad, how can you go? And all the cities.
Thank you, sir, giving this opportunity to me. I am Vipin from Azamgarh. So I am grateful to be the part of this debate. So before jumping the topic, I would like to share a story, a hypothetical story. So imagine a mother's child. It's 11 p.m. at night, and a mother's child need medicine. It's 11 p.m. at night, and all the shop in market are closed, and the child needs medicine. So his mother. Hi, sir. Shopping is not means. Yes, sir. Shopping means, sir, shop anything. Need medicines. So she just put her phones, and simply just 2 clicks, and the medicine comes her doors. So it's the power of online shopping. If she like.
How can you listen,
Okay.
guys? Yes.
Okay, sir. And the second point, I support online shopping because of sir, global product diversity. You can access a product that manufacture in different country. You can order that product through the specific
Yes.
store. And the second one, dynamic pricing benefit. You can get discount through promo codes and cashbacks. And it is also a time optimization. You can save your time, you can shop online while you are working, or while you are doing anything. You can shopping online along with your work. And the last one, geographical inequality. In offline shopping, if you take an example of rural areas, there are malls or premium shops, but there are not available more quality product like sir, cities.
Like all the
Ah.
brands.
There are not available product like cities, but in online shopping, you can order the same product, same brands and quality in cities and village also. So that's my point. Thank you.
Very nice.
Mr. Vipin, you were talking about the mother and the son who is ill, okay? And all the shops are closed. So where will she go? Can't she go hospital? Don't you know that the hospitals are open 24/7?
Yes, guys.
I'm not saying the child is very serious, and see. Yes.
And also you need to know that in online shopping, the medications which are provided, they can be fake.
Yes.
So many child, if you are aware, then there was case in which the child, because of the
And
fake,
how can we give a child medicine without doctor's prescription?
yeah, without
How can
doctor.
we-
And sir, there's a news in which the child has been died because of the fake medicine, because there were ingredients were fake.
Yes.
So how can you say?
No, there is a option of review. Review,
Sir,
not
don't you
not
know-
review, sir.
Okay, for the child's security, you will believe on the review. Don't you know that the paid reviews are there?
If you are talking like this. Shame on you. Yes. Review? These are
Not review, sir.
Yeah. What about the mother's emotion? How can you believe on paid
I have
reviews?
only about
Good evening, my dear brother and sister. This is me, Garima Sharma. Today we are sitting here to talk on the topic of which one shopping is better, online shopping or offline shopping. In my opinion, the offline shopping is way more better than online shopping, because when you are going to purchase the things in offline, you can inspect them. Like you can touch how is the fabric, how is the color, how is the size of the cloth or whatever you are purchasing. So you can get the good quality of the product in uh, in your presence only. And if you are purchasing the clothes on the online, then you will only rely on the photos, which can be paid photos, and the reviews, which are the paid reviews, which can be okay. And second one is, in June 2026, the Delhi police has inspected that there is a case like in which the police arrested so many people for making the fake websites on the name of Amazon and Flipkart to just trick people and make money on the name of website and on the online shopping. So that's why I'm yeah, that's why I'm supporting offline shopping, because there is a less interaction of scam or fraud. That's it.
You said that in offline we can feel the product touch, but when you buy any product, you wear it, you wash it, you see that the product is totally different. The product is fade out.
Don't you think that you're talking about online rather than offline?
In online there are reviews, there are photos,
Paid reviews, so-called reviews.
which are paid reviews, but not whole reviews are paid.
Not all, but yeah, most of, because companies also want their products should be like
But company can't delete your review.
what?
When you review any product,
But a company can purchase your review,
but
can't delete.
in offline there are no option to see.
What?
But in offline there are no option to see you that how after you watch the product how it look like. In online there are option when people
Okay, in online there is an option that will, when you wash the product, how will the product look like, right?
if product quality does not match what if product quality
In the online, most of the product quality is not matching.
how can you say
I
that
have experience, that's why I'm saying.
if you buy the verified sellers, then
Even in the online, you are purchasing something else, and order which has placed, it is something else.
open box delivery has options when you show that what you order and what
I'm not talking about open box delivery.
every
No, I'm not talking about open box delivery.
It
But
is a
there are the
feature.
deliveries in which, when you see, then the clothes are different. Then
Tomorrow is my engagement. I will get the product after my marriage.
yeah,
last you said that many people created fake website and use it to make money. It is your responsibility to check you buy the product is genuine website or not.
okay. Sir, how can we know that the we can know we can know what is the genuine website,
yeah.
but we cannot know what is the fake website. How will we know? And
Hey.
how will the first user will know? If I'm using
each website domain
listen to
is
me, sir.
specific. How
Listen
can
to me.
you-
Listen to me. If I'm using it first time, how will I know? And also, the person will be know that this website is fake when they use and when they have been tricked. One person have been had the bad experience of it. Then only they will get to know that this website is fake.
It's your responsibility to check
How it's my responsibility?
if
Sir,
you
how can we know?
Your mind?
How can we know?
if you want buy a shoes in offline
Mhm.
and the product the shoes is not, you see that you thought that this shoes is original, like
Sir, I'm not talking about shoes. I'm talking about the fake websites. What? How can we know about the fake websites?
you download the website from the download Play stores.
You don't know about the fake websites. The
I know
criminals, the frauders who do fraud, they make the same logo, make the similarities are the same, so that people will be tricked easily.
But it's people मतलब ये लोगों मतलब it's your responsibility.
It's my responsibility. How can I know that this website is fake?
So how know
If
that
it's
that this product is genuine or not? If you
What?
go, if you buy any product on offline,
genuine, we can know. We can search Google. We can search on.
हाँ तो
But fake, we can't search. How can Google know? When the person is strict, like I have bad experience, then I will complain FIR. Then the police, then they like websites will know that this is the fake websites.
Yes.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you, Rashid sir, for giving me this golden opportunity. I am Ashma. So today's debate topic is offline shopping versus online shopping. I am in favor of online shopping. So most of the time, like peoples who are living in forest, you know about Adivasis, tribals people who sells herbal products.
Yes.
Herbal products they can sell by online using online platforms, because most of the time people cannot buy products in offline, these types of things. But on in online platform from international countries, or from these things are from global market. That's why I am supporting online.
If you use herbal product out of country,
Only out of country. These countries are like,
Yeah.
lots of tribal they make herbal product in these also.
sir, but
Indians as well.
yeah, you can go and purchase easily offline.
Which kind of people sitting beside a road or a market and selling herbal products? Most of the are fake, or people cannot buy. Mostly people trusted on online, and those types of Adivasis and tribals people are get benefits by selling on by their product selling online.
So I am searching this product is I am searching, firstly I am searching this product is real or not. Then I will purchase. And if I want a real product, then I will search which the product. When I search the product, मतलब कि, yes sir, genuine or not, then I go, मतलब कि I go on this place and buy the product very easily.
No, I am not saying that you are taking products from that. I am saying that my point is that kinds of people helps to get their sells their product by online.
But
Most of the people cannot buy. How many people buy herbal products from offline, or going to take?
I am saying that firstly I check the product, then I will purchase. Firstly I will check the product.
How can you know that I made this product? This is a
Yes, sir.
How can you know? This is the medicine. I made the medicine. This is the oil. Okay, herbal oil. And this, how can you know this is a genuine or not?
Sir, many people know about this product, and I check online, मतलब कि online for Google कि this product is real or not, and जो मतलब कि who's
All things are same, like logos and
Sir,
these all things.
हाँ, but sir, जो मतलब कि जो people like मतलब कि sell the real product, they mention mobile number, and then I call, मतलब कि I can call and ask.
How can you say that they are selling real products? More, you said that you can search. Suppose you have to buy a powder or a churn that's a herbal product. How do you know the ingredients, or which you are trusted that product that he is selling that good products or a real in that powder? मतलब mix.
Yes, many people know about this product, and I'm knowing, I know this product like ये प्रोडक्ट ऐसा होता है ये
Yes,
this
you
type of
know,
product.
you know that product.
then
I
firstly check, then
how can you
ये नहीं
how you can check?
on मतलब कि whose people like sir जो sell online they also mention mobile number and you contact him or her then you go on this place and you can purchase easily.
If they are providing online and giving number, why you go and purchase another place? You can
Yeah,
you can
if
buy online.
sir if I मतलब कि if this product is very necessary for me then contact him and then I will go there, then I will purchase easily and
But by sitting at home, if you can get that product, so
Sir.
what is the need of going there?
They home delivery also they do.
yes sir, but suppose that you want immediately within one or 2 days then and delivered online delivery 7 days 6 days so
Most of the shop having online also. You can call and you can borrow within a hour or
no you mentioned that like
they perform online platform.
अरे
No?
sir, you मतलब कि you mentioned that like मतलब कि आदिवासी sir
Yes, yes.
tribals
Travels many tribes.
tribes मतलब कि in forest या some areas so how can you say कि like within 1 hours within 2 hours
They did
You
not
can
give
buy.
tag or they can sell on herbal shops. You know about it, Patanjali and these things. You can call and you
Yeah.
can get within a hour.
Yeah.
Most yes, you can.
Yeah, I will go Patanjali shop in outside. I will purchase.
If you are getting by beside you sitting by home, why you can have to go?
Like in opinion she said about the herbal products, so I wanna just ask that like in herbal they also like making lots of fake websites, means they in origin they like one website they are providing original products, but there are lots of websites they are just for selling, they are like manufacturing wrong product with wrong ingredients.
You know there are fake website. Then why you want to go on fake
Then
websites?
How will you know? How will you know they are fake websites? Like you are saying you can purchase only online herbal products.
Yes.
We cannot purchase in offline. So how will you know they are fake and they are real?
If you are getting herbal products and these kind of things, you suggest from people's or a Google's. Okay, you have to check which website is good or not. By Google, ChatGPT, you can search every time. Why you go on fake website?
Ma'am, you cannot know because you are ordering something they provided after using. You will know now this product was wrong or right.
In online products, you have having barcode for search for knowing that's real or fake.
Right. And hologram as well.
Yes.
But I'm having one example, like Adivasi herbal oil, no? Like, have lots of websites. You ordered, like I ordered lots of time, but like third time I got wrong products. While using, I got that is wrong. So how can I like?
Using it can be bought.
I mean, their color, their like logo, everything is same. So how can I know this is real or fake?
By smell.
By smell? Oh my god, it smells also.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Saurav Yadav, and thank you, sir, to give me this opportunity to speak here. I am favor in online shopping. In my opinion, online shopping is better because here is a facility to compare product prices, there are several websites where the same product is listed. You can check the product price where you find the lowest price of the product, you can buy it. But in the offline, there is limited store where the product price is same. Second point is in the offline there is lots of coupons, there are lots of cards used which we reduce the price of the products. That's why the online shopping is best for me.
Very nice. You can easily compare.
You mentioned that in online shopping there will be like lowest price. So can you suggest me about jewelry we can purchase in lowest price in online?
There are jewelers website, you can check it. There are jewelers website, you can check it. You can buy coins in form of jewelry.
Sir, tell me about only some people they buying gold and like jewelries from online without seeing and without any touch. Will you purchase?
No.
No, no. That's it.
But I
How can you say there is a more discount and discount is reliable?
in online their platform they have their own cards which you get more discount, more cashbacks. But in offline there are no options.
Do you really know? Do you really think that they are discounting you?
Yes, if you buy some product in Flipkart which is listed at 1000, but if you use card like that Flipkart Axis Bank credit card, you get 5% cashback. But in offline there are no option. If there is Amazon Pay, ICICI card, there is Myntra, you also use Axis Bank card.
I know. These are the traps. These all. First of all, listen to me, sir. You have spoken now. These all are the traps. Firstly, they will provide you cards in terms of making a fool. Okay.
No.
They will tell you that 10% discount, 20% discount, 50% discount. But when you really check the price from the offline and online, when you compare the things, the price will be in the offline. The price will be lesser than your online.
No,
It
no,
is.
no.
I have checked. I have experienced it.
In offline there are many vendors. They include their own profit. But in offline there are brands.
Oh, online companies are not saying like they are not looking for their profits.
They are individually, but in offline they are vendors. One is sellers and
So vendor is a like
every vendors at their own
vendor is
profit.
looking for profit,
Yes.
and companies are not looking profit.
Not company is also looking for all
Companies are looking more for the profits. If
but
you know.
in online
really.
there are no vendor between you and company. That's why the products are cheaper than the offlines.
What?
Yes,
Are you serious?
you in online product is cheaper than offline because in offline there are rent of where the shop located and there are rent of ACs and electricity. That's why in the offline there are product is higher than the online. Online there are no needs to these things. That's why online price is cheaper than offline.
First of all, I would like to tell you how the discount things happen. Okay, they are showing you that the product is 1000, and when you apply it, like they are giving you discount of 50%. Okay, and it will come to 200. Right? But if you really go and check the price of, it would be like 150, or firstly they will make the price higher and then they will trap you by making discounts.
I give you example. Go
Yeah.
to Red Tape showroom, which are located in that place, and you find the same shoes with where the shoes price is 74% discount, and the online you find 85% discount and additional.
I
you
can
get
also give you
5%
example.
cashback.
I can also give you example. Same product, same quality of product I have purchased in offline with the less
She is
price.
making pocket.
Sir, I have no.
Making pocket.
How can you say that I'm making cock and bull story?
But in offline there are no option to get cashback, but in online there are option to get cashback.
You can.
I
take
use
other
credit
things.
card, then I get cashback, but in online there are no options. In offline there are no options.
Cashback.
Yes.
You get. Firstly, you are going to shop for purchasing something.
Yes.
In offline, they will give you the more variety of the options.
In online there are more variety. How can you say that in offline there are more varieties?
You are
In
talking
offline-
about the refund here, na? So in the offline, you will get the another and best quality of the things in the same price.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Vyas Maurya. Thanks for Mr. Rasi sir giving me this golden opportunity. Today debate topic is online shopping versus offline shopping. I am supporting to offline shopping. Imagine would India would India buy a fighter jet of billions of dollars, click add to cart button? Never. Many developing country firstly inspection and negotiate, and they know the product, and they sign agreement paper, make agreement papers, then be मतलब कि purchase मतलब कि any nation purchase offline mode, and if a nation can't believe if any nation can't believe online mode, mode मतलब mode मतलब कि I can also not believe in online mode. And the second point is, if I shopping online, I decrease मतलब कि we are decreasing our Indian economic growth, because many online shopping companies, foreign company like Amazon, you can check Amazon company, and Myntra, Flipkart. Yeah, Myntra now time मतलब कि foreign के हैं, and if you purchase any product in online mode, you can purchase any type of product dollar, मतलब कि dollar में, then our GDP and economic growth decrease, and our Indian rupee like sir very मतलब कि low, Indian rupee low हो रहा है because of online purchasing के कारण, and if I and offline, if I मतलब कि purchase offline things, मतलब कि I can support Indian economic growth and local economy, and like sir money stay in community, and local and many local peoples, local people, and sir many shopkeepers they use benefit this type of. That's why I am supporting to offline shopping.
Very nice.